Hello, Sari Stars. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous 2025. I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you the first Kanjivaram collection of 2025. The colors and designs on these saris are absolutely beautiful and just perfect for Pongal and Sankranti. So let's get started with these saris. An absolutely stunning Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of wine with all over zari checks. This is an absolutely gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a very deep wine color and there are all over zari cuttons or grids. The borders are tissue zari borders. This is a fabulous and breathtaking Kanjivaram silk sari. You're sure to fall in love with this gorgeous pallu. The pallu has rich zari motifs of kudara, that is horses, pakshis and floral motifs all done in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is the same zari kattam as the body of the sari. This makes it absolutely perfect for bridal wear. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. If you're a lover of pastel colors, you're sure to fall in love with this pastel colored no zari Kanjivaram silk sari. A Mubbagam Kanjivaram is an absolute must-have in every Kanjivaram sari lover's wardrobe. This is a gorgeous Mubbagam silk sari and it is in pastel shades which makes it a rare and unusual kind of sari. The upper part of the sari is in a pastel yellow, the middle portion is pastel green with stripes and the lower portion is a pastel pink. All the three pastel shades come together very beautifully in this sari. The pallu of the sari is in red and it has seepu in red. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same red as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or in a blouse from any of the colors from the body of the sari. You can accessorize the sari with delicate pearl or silver jewelry. Mail Kalithu is a gorgeous color which means the color of the peacock's neck and it's a rich mix of blue and green. We have a gorgeous Mail Kalithu Kanjivaram silk sari for you with Korvai borders. The body of the stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous Mail Kalithu color and there are zari, pakshi and chakram buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders are Arai Madam and temple borders and it is in maroon color and there is a beautiful green selvage which adds a lovely look to this border. The Arakku maroon pallu of the sari is simply grand and it has beautiful temples, pakshis and Araimada motifs all done in zari. The sari has a gorgeous Arakku maroon blouse fabric with zari buttas and the same borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse and you can accessorize it with lovely diamond or traditional gold jewelry. This is an auspicious yellow Kanjivaram silk sari. It is a no zari threadwork Kanjivaram. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of yellow, and there are threadwork peacock motifs or mile motifs in green and maroon. The sari has Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper border is a light green and the lower border is a short orange. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has the Kalakshetra inspired kili motifs all done in thread. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a short orangish color. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or beaded jewelry. This is a Paimadi Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. The body has textured design and it is called Chatai weave or Paimadi weave. The body of the sari has Paimadi Kattam in shades of orange and the borders have Zari Vanki borders. This short green selvage adds a beautiful look to this gorgeous sari. The pallu of the sari is in orangish and it has zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a short green blouse and accessorize it with a nice green additive. Iron Butta or 1000 Buttas is a must-have in every Kanjivaram silk sari lover's wardrobe. We have for you a gorgeous Iron Butta in a combination of beige and rust. The body of the sari is in a lovely shade of beige and there are Mail Chakram motifs all over the body done in thread. There is a narrow stripe of zari along the borders and there is a short rustish selvage. The pallu of the sari is in short rest and it has Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in short rust. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a black blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a festive magenta pink. This one is in a Veldari kind of design. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a festive shade of magenta pink and there are horizontal Veldari kind of lines running along the length of the body. The borders have Kuilkan motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari has Sipareka in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric with the same Veldari kind of designs as the sari has. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse or ivory blouse and accessorize it with a nice pearl necklace. Mail Chakram is a classic design in Kanjivaram silk saris. Again, this design is a must-have in every Kanjivaram silk sari lover's wardrobe. We have a gorgeous one for you in Arakku, which makes it perfect for bridal wear too. This stunning Arakku Kanjivaram silk sari has all over zari cuttons or checks, and there are Mile Chakra motifs in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders have quilt motifs in zari. The grand pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari is absolutely breathtaking, and it has zari motifs of pakshis, paisleys and diamonds. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a gorgeous green blouse. You can accessorize it with a lovely traditional gold necklace or diamond necklace. Our exquisite collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris is just perfect for Sankranti and Pongal. These are also ideal for bridal wear and perfect for festive gifting too. To shop for our collection of Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.